to have three. Three here and three there. Now the report. Again, the report I want to be designed well, layout, format. I wanted to make sure the report have header, footer, title. And this is by default actually is done, just to make sure. And I wanted to add a picture into the two reports. You add, there is a way to do it there. And you put the picture wherever, yani. You want it to be a background, you want it at the top, wherever you want. If you didn't find it, it's about insert and stuff. But if you didn't find it, Google it. How to add a picture in Access report. Very easy to do. And you will create a PDF, but make sure that the columns don't span to more than a page, just like we've done in this time. So make sure that the column width, everything is good. Maybe you want to use landscape layout, whatever, but make the columns to be not spanning over multiple pages. And you will create two PDFs, one PDF for each report. And this you will have the Access file, the whole work, and a PDF from each report. So the total is 3 files. And when you submit the files, you submit the group number, and you submit them inside separately. I don't want you to use RAR or submit it separately. But you click upload the first file, upload again the second file, and so on. So, do you have questions with the Access project?
Yes, Mr. When is the deadline? Mr.
Is it
The deadline.
Yes, I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
The deadline, Mr. When is the deadline?
The deadline, yes, the deadline is important, but the deadline will be Saturday, not the Saturday after. But there is one more thing other than the deadline. But is there a question regarding the requirements here? No. I'll go to the last thing, and we will be done with that with today. The last thing is the presentation. The presentation is a call, and you will not present live here, but you will be recording your presentation. There are multiple ways of how to record a presentation, but in the course content, the last thing, there is a very easy way how to record a presentation. So, let me show you how to record. New slide. And your presentation, by the way, will be only 5, and each member will do a presentation. So and so on. 45 slides. How you record the technical how to record an audio into PowerPoint. It is there, but I will do one now. So either you will be meeting through Teams together inside Teams, and you will be recording the things here, or you will record your slides, then send the whole file to your friend to record his slides, then send the file to the other friend. But how you do that? You click Insert, Audio from the right, then Record Audio. You will see this. I will record now. Hello, this is group 2. We are talking about this and this, and my name is Khalid, and this is an introduction, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And you will see this symbol. When you click to Then Khalid comes here. Then he will click insert, audio, record. Hello, my name is Khalid. I am taking a section of this and blah blah, and I'm doing this and that and the problem and the solution and so on. Good, put it there. Then اللي بعده, insert audio, record audio. Hello, this is Ali. I am talking about the solution. We think the solution is good and so on. Done. Click OK. This is the one to there. And at the end, you upload your PowerPoint. But let me show you what is the idea of this presentation. The idea of the presentation is that you will find any type of problem that you see, maybe something you felt, something you've seen in the streets, something you've thought about, any type of problem, anytime. And you can solve it using an IT tool, an application, a system, something that has IT in it. Sometimes the solution itself is not all IT, but definitely some of it is IT. For example, I have this problem of crowded streets. Of course, you will not use this example, but it is a crowd. There is always crowded streets in the rush hours. So here are, so I will do introduction. I will do problem description, a little bit more detail into that. And so here are 3 solutions or alternatives we might consider of crowded streets in the rush hours. The first solution is that we make employees and students work in different hours so they can get out in different hours. So the streets will not be crowded at once. That's one solution. Second solution, just make everyone work at home, at least those jobs that can work online, they can work at home. So it is now less crowded. The third solution is maybe put transportation vehicles other than cars, like buses and a metro, and we link it to people using an application. Now this is the IT part. We put it in an application, and people can reserve, can pay, and can know the schedule and so on. These are our 3 solutions. Our best solution that we will choose is the bus, transportation, and metro, and the application of how to reserve and so on, and a summary and conclusion. So the idea is either here, you don't have to contact me regarding your idea, but I totally forcefully recommend and encourage you to contact me and tell me, okay, this is our idea, and these are the 3 solutions, and we choose this one. Send an email to me, tell me that, and I might help you with it. I might say, okay, this is good, go ahead, or I say, no, the solutions are not that good, but you can use this one, and so on. So also in here, just like Access Project, I want you also here to send me an idea and the solutions and the solution that you will pick. Again, 5 slides, a slide for each section. It is 8 minutes, 2 minutes maybe to each member, or 3 maximum. And I said here, please contact me. You can add pictures and tables, and you will be graded on these 4. Duration of your audio or recording, your presentation, clarity of the idea, and يعني, is it really clear ولا أنت قاعد تخبط? The impact of the solution. Sometimes, yes, you might have a problem and a solution, but actually it doesn't impact anyone other than you. But if it has a little bit more impact other than you, like a small society or whatever, or a small part of the community, that is good. Impact is there. If you think about problem, probably most of your problems you will have an impact as a solution, you will get a full mark here. And I think that in the duration, you will also get a full mark. And the clarity depends on how you represent yourself. And the style is basically how the designs of the PowerPoint itself. So you'll be graded on this, and you will be sending your PowerPoint, and I said the PowerPoint because you will be using, at least most of you will be using this way, insert audio record. If you don't want to use this way, you can use other way, but you have to upload the PowerPoint and maybe your video. If you are recording it, upload the video. If you have other ways to do it, but this is the simplest way to do it. Do you have questions regarding the presentation?
دكتور.
Yes.
المثال اللي أعطيته معلش ما أدري ما شفت أنت قلت إنه لازم المثال حقي يكون solved by using IT. الحين أنت قلت إنه مثلا في زحمة في الworking hours هذه لما الطلاب يطلعوا. كيف ممكن أنا ما سمعتك أو ممكن أنا ما فهمت ما أعرف إيش دخل ال IT في الموضوع؟
Okay. There are problems that can be totally solved by IT. By the way, when I say IT, is any type of technology that you can use. Okay. And in here specifically is technologies that people are familiar with, like systems or applications. Although the bus technology and the roads of the metro, they are also using technologies. But information technology are the systems and the applications and websites and so on. My example is a very easygoing example. Probably if I am scoring you more restricted, and I only tell you, just give me an IT solution, purely IT solution, I think it will be really hard on you. But I am just telling you, whatever solution you have, at least part of it is IT. And my solution here is to put metros and buses, but also have a good IT part out of it, which is the reservation system, the payment system, using the applications and websites. So this is part of the solution as IT. If you have a solution totally using IT, that's even better. But I'm not scoring you on that because most of you will not do it. But if you have a solution, that's even better. That's good.
يمديني أعرض عليك ولا أفضل على الإيميل؟ توها جاتني والله.
Okay, we can after the lab, but let me make sure the others if they have questions. Okay, now the deadlines. The deadlines. So this is for next week. These 2 weeks are the last 2 weeks we have. We are on Thursday, 26th of November. On Thursday here, 3 of December, we will have the quiz, and that's it, only 10 minutes. And you can stay with me to discuss your Access project or presentation. The deadline for both Access and presentation is Saturday. The deadline is Saturday. So we will have the quiz here, and you will have 2.5 hours of empty slot of time that you can do either to access and ask me or whatever. I'll be there online. Nothing else. We are done with the semester. That's it. So we will do the quiz on Thursday, and you can stay with me and so on, and you do it. Do the Access project presentation, or maybe you're done with it and you want me to maybe pitch some feedback there for you. The deadline is Saturday, 5th of December, midnight.